Kinda meaningless in a way, so I guess that caused a lot of stuff meaningless. Like all this noise, if you look at what the noise means, it means I made noise over the things that I typed, I guess. So that's what it is, kinda I don't know. Anyways, check it out. When I try to do math, it sounds different. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 5 plus 6 equals 11. And I might drum an 11 beat to that. I don't know, that would be cool. Just remember to look at this video while you drum for me. Yeah, I think I can do that. Just give me some time to think for a minute. And wait a minute, that's a minute. That kinda sounds redundant, like you could just say a minute to think, but you go ahead and say time to think for a minute. Like, what does that even mean? Like, even to think for a time? I don't know. It just poured out of my head like this is gonna pour out of my head. Like I'm kinda hoping I have something thrown together that goes all the way to the bottom of this page. If I'm kinda lucky, and that would be kinda neat, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I really wonder sometimes what it's like to make normal things that people want to pay for. I don't know what it's like to make those things, to have things that make meaning on purpose, that means something on purpose, and make money. And if people not wanting to kill me for making them, I mean, like, come on, I don't know how to make things I don't even comprehend to begin with. That I can't comprehend meaning itself right now. I can't make a thing that makes a certain deliberate meaning or anything. I think that I think that if I read a associate from the top of my head, it makes a certain kind of sense. That this is automatic writing of my consciousness or something, but who else wants to look at this consciousness but me? Is that what I would it all the time? Oh yikes, but who probably would get annoying how often I call myself annoying, like that's something that comes up a lot. I really don't know how to do this all. People in stuff, man, just yikes. I'm neuro spicy as hell. Dog like neuro spicy as the hockey stick dude. I put off all my commitments today to make this jump like I don't know what I'm really thinking. I turn off my air conditioning to record, and now I'm feeling kinda now, just now.
Who you calling dumbass?
Oh yikes, man, I'm now just over this. Is it that I'm here in this non-stop all the time? Oh man, do this is really that I really that I don't want to be here, but here's another bunch of words I've got to die in order to be done with this stupid thing. At least coming to this is gonna be fun. I hope I want to hit everyone's breathing this right now. It would be fun if something actually come from all of this. I wonder what that something would be. Would it make me a happier person? I'd like to be a less nauseous person. I'm gonna turn off the air conditioner. Give me a second, so no dumbass. Oh man, that's much better. I hope that it turned out okay. Man, I'm wondering if it's something else making me now just this, but it sucks me like it really sucks me in to what we all did to deserve me in us like this. This are the culmination of every one of our decisions. How much of this did I decide? I don't know how much, honestly. Like, I guess this is like jazz or improv or jazz or something. So I decided upon some stuff, I guess, but not really everything, because deciding everything makes it not jazz. I guess I can't deliberately decide how long it is or how it is or all of that. I like it's all just the way it is. I guess I could decide how it ends somehow, or it's something that right at the end, like something really cool, like it's some kind of loud to quote. Give me a second, let me think of what he said in that McMindful handbook I keep listening to. Feel McMindful, it's the emptiness in a vase that makes it useful.